Hi friends, today we are going to learn a very interesting recipe called cheesy prawn. So let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have prawns, button mushroom, chopped garlic, grated cheese. I have used 1 cube of cheese. This is chopped onion, oregano, chili flakes, salt and coconut milk. Now let's get started with our cooking. I have heated the pan and adding 2 tablespoons of white oil. Let the oil get heated. First, I will add chopped garlic. I like the flavor of garlic, so I am using garlic. If you like the flavor of onion, you can use that as well. Just cook for a few minutes. Now I'm adding chopped onion. We have to shallow fry it. It should not turn brown. Now I'll add mushroom. We will mix all of them. At this point of time, we will just put the lid on because mushroom releases water. Keep for around 2 minutes and then we can proceed with the next steps. Okay, now we will add the prawns. Do not fry the prawn more because it becomes rubbery otherwise. Little bit it should turn red and then you can go with the next step. See, our prawn is almost ready and mushroom released water also. So at this point of time, again put the lid on till the water dries up. See, there is no more water left. Put your gas on simmer. Now I will add salt. Remember that you will be adding cheese also, so accordingly add the salt. This chili flakes, oregano, mix them again. This recipe can be done only with mushroom or with paneer also. Those who are vegetarian, they can skip the prawn part. Now I will add the coconut milk. And I will add the cheese also. Mix it all. Put the gas on highest flame. Let the gravy get a little more dried. Then it's ready to serve. Our cheesy prawn is served. Thanks for watching. Please try the recipe and share your valuable comments. If you like the recipe, hit like, share amongst your friends and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to get more delicious recipes like these.